Good day everyone. How are you guys doing today? There we are. Okay. You should be able to see me now. What about my screen? Nobody can see my screen. Why? I don't even see my screen. Why I don't see my screen? Yep, there it is. Good day everyone. How are you guys doing? I saw that my microphone was muted, so I just repeating myself. How's everyone doing today? How is the mood? Friday afternoon. The markets are a bit sideways. I'll start with the analysis of the Nasdaq. If at any point you find the voice or sound or something is not sound properly, just let me know. Alrighty. What I can see here is that the market is occupied within this range. Some days if you feel that the market is not favoring you, you can just stay out of the trades, okay? So I will do the analysis in a while. So we are watching the Nasdaq. Here on the hourly chart, the price has resistance and support. This bearish engulfing we spot yesterday is still intact here in place. The price didn't make a higher high, and so far looks like the sellers are demanding control on the market. Not 100% sure if they're going to get the control. For high quality trades, the price has to break and close below the support. So we can look for potential sales. Below the support. Based on what happened yesterday and today during the London session, the sellers came aggressively from the top down here and as well from there. They created this resistance area very solid, and if the buyers want to take control, they have to push. They have to come up with a significant amount of volume to be able and push the price further up. The voice is echoing. Just one second, please. I don't know why we have this. We have this issue with the voice. Is it better now or not? Is the voice better now, guys? 1. Let me know if the voice is keep echoing or if it's okay. What about now? I changed something. Maybe now it's fixed. Guys, what about the voice now? Okay, perfect. Thanks a lot. I don't know why my background disappeared. Honestly, I have no idea. Anyway, I don't know about the background, guys. I can't help it. I have to look at it after we finish the live. Okay, so look at this bearish engulfing here. Okay, 5 minutes more for the completion. To play out this support here, to be honest, since yesterday I'm more sold on the bearish side rather than on bullish side on Nasdaq. How about the music on the background, guys? Should I lower the volume or it's just enough? So regarding the support here, I want to see the break and close below the support before I consider thinking of buying. I don't see our friend JP, I forget how it was the name, on the live today to tell us if he sold the gold. But if he sold the gold yesterday, it could have been a bit of a nightmare, huh? So let's check the calendar. Forex Factory. Friday. Friday. 3 minutes for the release of manufacturing PMI in the US. Retail sales in the UK reported as positive, much more favorable than the expectation. Really, it's something going on with my camera today. I'll try to refresh the camera refresh and see if I'm gonna have some luck with this one. Oh my god, it's like I got disappeared from the camera. Hold on, maybe it's something to do with this one here. Wow. Bullish on gold. Well, we have to see what's going to happen with the report here. Yeah. We still have some time to find out the outcome. One minute. Don't worry, 12 years in trading, I can really concentrate. Don't worry about that, my friend. Thanks for your feedback, but trust me, so good, it's more than good. Because in trading, I just know what I'm looking for now. On Nasdaq, I'm just looking for a break outside of the support. And on gold, look, the biases are more bullish than bearish on gold because the market on the higher time frame is bullish, like the hourly. Look at this. The hourly is bullish, but we have to acknowledge the lack of market momentum based on the oscillator here. The market made higher high, and the oscillator here makes lower highs. That's bearish divergences. On the 15-minute chart, though, the trend is developing to the upside. Every resistance has to be respectively, it has to be treated with much of respect. Now, this one here, it's more bullish pattern. We still need to see what happened with the news. Just 1 second. Okay, the news reported the manufacturer PMI, nothing great. Flash services 52.5. Okay, it's considered as a little bit bearish for the gold, for the US dollar, so more bullish for the gold. So for gold, so far, I have more bullish bias based on the trend. Here is also a channel. Sometimes channels can be drawn and traded accurately. In this case, channel fits here, which is fine. So we are bullish on gold. Gold can keep going up. Euro US dollar. Anyone here trading something that would like to get some analysis? Let me know. After the interest rates report in Japan, the market sold off about almost 200 pips. It's about 2%. On that particular one, now it bounced. Nasdaq, to trade the indices today, the US indices, we need to see a break. On Nasdaq at least, we need to see a break below this support. On the S&P 500, the support is closer to the current price. Maybe we can look at that one. Based on the technical analysis principles, this one here, upon the break of this support, will be the do you know how to call this? That's going to be a failure swing top. Failure swing top is one of the best reversal patterns, but first we have to confirm the break. If the price breaks this support, we can go on the lower time frame and find some entries. This actually can be a great trade setup. But if the S&P breaks below this support, Nasdaq will follow through as well, and it's going to trade lower. And because Nasdaq is more volatile, we can trade Nasdaq. Any comments, any feedback, any opinions? If we want to buy gold, we can wait for a retracement. I'm thinking of buying gold, to be honest. Oh. Okay. I would like to buy gold, guys. I'm bullish on gold. I'm planning to buy gold if the price, even I don't see any fair value gap here. We have the all-time high right there. Trying to make some plans on gold. My thoughts on short scalping gold for a quick 150 pips before it shoots for a fresh all-time high. 150 points, you mean, right? 15 pips, not 150 pips. Just to make sure, because 150 pips, it means from here, 150 pips is that much. From here to there. 15 pips is the distance from here down to, let's say, down to these levels. Yeah. Okay. Look, anything is possible and anything can happen. Okay, so you are saying to short gold, on short scalping gold, short scalping, you mean to sell gold, yeah? This long leg doji candle can push the price to the upside. To the downside, of course. Short terms, market is making now higher highs here. I would like to pick up some buy positions here. I see only one problem here, guys. I see only one big problem, that the way the price moved up, it covered all imbalances here, and that worries me that maybe this is going to end up as the reversal. I'm going to be open in both scenarios, okay? It's okay, 150 points. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. What's going on? See, Nasdaq, it pushed up. S&P touched the support and moved up. So basically, we have to focus on gold today, guys, because this Nasdaq, it came back in the middle of the range. S&P bounced off this support. We don't know if it's going to go back to the middle. I'm not interested to trade anything here. I want the trending market, and the trending market is gold. Guys, where are you watching us from today? Where do you guys live? Where are you? Don't worry, I'm not gonna come to visit you. I'm just asking. I'm not gonna come outside of your door to knock the door. Gold, let's go. We are loaded and ready. You see, now sometimes people, they will blame themselves why they didn't sell this one here. And imagine if this will end up as the top market reversal. Oh my God. Imagine if this is gonna end up as the top reversal. Oh, I don't want you to think like this. I want you to think in terms of high quality trades. To come, Theo, welcome to Dubai. Oh, beautiful. I will be in Dubai on the 10th of February. I'll stay for a couple of days because we have the 4IFX Expo event. So I will be there for a few days. We can arrange a live trading session from Dubai. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Did you short gold there for the quick scalping? Forex bull player, is that? Yeah. Forex bull layer. Oh, here it comes at 61.8. Gold, go gold. Whoop. Something is cooking there. Something is cooking there.
Incoming mail.
What's going on with gold? Gold! You took the short entry on gold. Okay. Cool. Yeah, you're welcome to catch up there. Those expos are not worth it anymore. Yeah, it's a different thing. For me, I have the company, I have the Market Minds Mastery as well. It's where I'm invited to host webinars and to provide professional market analysis for brokers, for big firms. So yeah, that's why I'm going there. Mr. John, all the way from UK. Welcome, welcome, mate. You hear trades being placed. What's happening? Yeah, go gold, go gold. Gold, mate, gold. Today is gold day. It's gold day today. Look, the market is going up. It's in an uptrend. I showed you my plan here on gold. Price makes higher highs and higher lows. So I'm bullish on this one, and let's see. Oh my God, Nasdaq for real? This guy pumped up and went on the other side of the market. Look at this. Okay, so guys, pay attention to this one. On this particular one, S&P and Nasdaq, buyers stepped in and they are in control. So now I will open the motive wave just to check the volume analysis and the volume profile to get into the futures insight data. That's the ES. ES, here is why I don't see Nasdaq. Thank you. 5-minute chart, and here I want to load this template. Why didn't save it? I think it's this one. All right. Oh my God, I love this. I love it. I love it. Woohoo! We're gonna have a party day on this Nasdaq. Okay. I'll be really interested right here on Nasdaq. Low volume nodes here. Okay. So far, the market is still trading within this rectangle. To be honest, I'm interested to see some momentum here. Let's see what's going to happen. If you want to trade within this range, it becomes a bit too risky. best way is to wait for a clear break outside of these lines. Either way. GP, thanks for joining us today. And we all were wondering here, is this guy gonna appear today or not? Yesterday you were loading and getting ready to press the button. Where were you today? We just took the trade on gold. Are you still loaded and ready? Gold is screaming today. Gold is screaming. What do you guys think? Is gold gonna make it up to that resistance, or it's gonna drop down and break like the marshmallow here? What do you guys think? What do you guys think here? Are we gonna hit? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh my God, I'm here on gold. Do you think am I gonna hit the take profit, or it's gonna just get me out? I will cover myself. I really believe on this one. I'm not gonna take partials. I'm gonna just cover myself just in case it reverses. It won't get me out. But I will honor my take profit up there. If it goes against my position, I mean, what to do? Let it be. It's trading. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see if these buyers will take control. Anyhow, right here, I'm covered. I don't mind if it's gonna go up or down. And I hope you guys gonna learn a lot from this trade, because some people, especially if you're a beginner trader, you're gonna start feeling very scared. Oh my God, I don't want to lose. I don't want to. You are only focusing on not losing, and you are restricting yourself from the probability of making money. So I made a call here that I believe, based on the market structure, the price will rise. I place my entry, my stop loss, my take profit. Once the price reached the high here, I moved my stop loss at break even, because let's face it, anything can happen here. So if the price moves again my position, at least I'm gonna be out with break even just a little bit, to cover the commissions. Let's see what's gonna happen. Mate, this is a prop firm account. It's not a demo account from a broker. Don't you trade on prop account. Any firm you're gonna get a prop account from, all the challenges and the accounts they are placed on, they are all like this, everywhere. The only thing you have to be careful is when you choose your prop firm to make sure that they honor the payouts and they are people with public visibility, and that's why I choose to trade with PropXP. The price is really struggling up there. Really struggling up there. It's been a while that it's trying to go through. If we're gonna break the high, it's gonna just pump. We don't know if buyers will rescue it, but for me it was a worth taking trade. About 20 seconds until the closure of this candlestick. Let's see. It looks like it's not gonna make it, guys. It looks like it today doesn't want to end the day with a new all-time high. Up. No. Buyers are not strong. They are not strong, guys. Look, if you are in that trade, you have to decide if you want to keep it or close it. Up. Okay. Let's move on. Next one. Let's find what's going to happen next. So that one was a good call. It didn't make it, but it's fine. Nasdaq is a fighter today. Within this consolidation, the market becomes very tricky. Although this is a high quality pattern when there is context around it. Now the context is not right there. So this one here. A break to the upside can push the price further up. But for me, it's not worth taking it here. I'm not taking any trades now. I want to break outside of this area. I don't like the price within this area being like that. So I'm going to move on to the next one. Again, gold back on this market. Let's see if something changed. Looks like buyers are pressing, sellers are pressing a lot. If we're gonna break below this, if we will break below this this support here, I'm gonna look for the retracement to sell it because the market structure will change. Did you get into any trades? Forex Bulls layer. Did you trade anything today? Platinum is explosive. Okay, here it comes. Gold is going down. I just want to see the break below this support, guys. This one here. Let's see. Currently, I'm not really interested on buying the gold, to be honest, because of this structure here, kind of broke. I don't like it. I prefer to sell the gold, but I want to sell it up on market structure. I'm not going to sell it right there. Nasdaq is explosive here. Wow, look at this. Break above here. Same with S&P. Made a higher high. Let's see if the market react at this resistance, and the sellers will push the price down. If the price closes above here, we'll be interested to buy, of course. We have a nice distance between the current price and this high, so everything looks fine. Aggressive buyers both on the Nasdaq and S&P. You see all these aggressive buyers here. Back to the gold. What do you guys trade today? Oh, gold became a mess now. Okay guys, I don't see much more today, to be honest. If you're gonna be around and you want to trade gold, just now based on this market structure, we have to wait for either a clear break below this low or a clear break above this high to buy. We had one good entry. One good entry down there. It didn't reach the ultimate target, but yeah, that's okay. So I would like to wish to everyone to have a nice weekend, get some rest. If you want to just think how your trading week was, see what you can improve next week, start fresh, and yeah, have a nice weekend. And I will see you on the next live on Monday. Bye everyone.